Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 10:30.
It's 10:30 in it.
Yes,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
By the way, my name is Tuyết. Nice to meet you.
My name is Ngat. Nice to meet you too.
So your name is Ngat in it.
Yes,
Nice name.
thanks. Your name is good too.
How old are you?
I'm 21 years old.
So you're 21 years old. Until
Right.
where do you come from, Ngat?
Come from Hưng Yên province.
So you come from Hưng Yên province, don't you?
Yes,
How long have you been here?
I've been here for 2 years.
So you've been here for 2 years, haven't you?
Yes,
Do you miss your family?
yes I do. I miss them very much.
Very much.
Yes.
How often do you visit your family?
Every 2 weeks. I visit my family every 2 weeks.
Every 2 weeks.
Yes,
How far is it from here to the house?
about 20 kilometers. It's about 20 kilometers from here to my house.
About 20 kilometers.
Right.
How do you usually go home?
By bus. I usually go home by bus.
By bus.
Yes,
How much does it cost you to go home by bus?
about 20,000 Vietnam đồng. It costs me about 20,000 Vietnam đồng to go home by bus.
About 20,000.
Right.
And now does it take you to get there?
About 2 hours. It takes me about 2 hours to get there.
About 2 hours.
Yes.
About 2 hours.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, see you later.
See you later.
Ta-ta.
Ta-ta.
Không biết cái gì.